The skincare industry is shifting toward natural plant-based ingredients due to concern over synthetic additive and environmental impact. Canola oil is rich in antioxidant, tocopherol, and essential fatty acid with anti-inflammatory and moisturizing properties. However, limited research exists on its use in topical skincare, especially as an essential oil formulation. The effect of chemical refining on its bioactive retention remains unclear. Therefore, further research is needed.
Moving on to literature review, based on Chang et al. 2016, it is found that KSO is a new source for edible oil and packed with health benefits such as antioxidant, antithrombotic, and anti-inflammatory. The article also specifically mentioned about the suitability of solid extraction method compared to other methods. Next, based on Adnan et al. 2020, the article also mentioned the same extraction method which highlight the effectiveness of this method. In addition, this article also mentioned the solvent used in the extraction method. The article shown that ethanol produced the highest yield compared to other solvents as NHC, water, etc. Lastly, based on Nuhu et al. 2025, this article support usage of KSO in cosmetic application. The article mentioned that KSO yield is 22% tally with previous researcher.
The extraction of canola oil was carried out by solid extraction method with NHC and ethanol as a solvent. Ground canola seeds were placed into a cellulose thimble inside the solid extractor, a round bottom flask containing 500 of NHC and ethanol was heated by using heating mantle for 6 hours, while a reflux condenser was attached to continuously condense the solvent vapor back into the system. After extraction, the oil-solvent mixture was subjected to rotary evaporation machines under reduced pressure using a rotary evaporator to remove the NHC or ethanol, thereby yielding purified canola seed oil.
Well, after we analyze the contents of the canola seed oil using the GCMS method, there's something to take a note about when we use N-hexane and ethanol as a solvent. When we use N-hexane as a solvent, we will acquire a canola seed oil that contains lots of beneficial compounds. One of it is essential fatty acids such as palmitic acid, linoleic acid, and oleic acid. Those compounds are very well known for their moisturizing, anti-inflammatory, and skin protective properties. Other than that, the oil also contains bioactive compounds such as phytosterols, which contribute antioxidant benefits and help protect the skin from damage. But if we use ethanol as its solvent, we can see an increase in the overall beneficial contents of the oil, other than the fact that the extraction yield of the oil is higher. There are also higher concentrations of polyphenol and flavonoids, which can also contribute to its antioxidant property. Finally, there are also an increase in antibacterial activity to both gram-positive bacteria, such as Bacillus subtilis, and gram-negative bacteria, such as E. coli. So, overall, extraction by using ethanol is as a solvent is by far the most efficient, demonstrated by the highest extraction yield while also having potential bioactive compounds.